Hi everyone, it's Fran here. For those who are new to this channel, we do different craft videos every week with the Sunnybank Trust. The Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism. This week's theme is Diwali, which is the Festival of Lights. So we're going to be making some candle decorations to celebrate. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need a red colouring pencil and a yellow colouring pencil. You'll need some white card and your choice of coloured card. We need some liquid glue and some scissors. We've got another template today, so if you're tracing your template, you'll need your laptop screen, some paper and a pencil. If you're printing your template, you'll need a printer and some paper. Find the link to the template in the caption below. If you're tracing your template, turn your screen brightness up to 100%, then place your paper on top of the screen. With your pencil, gently trace the outline of your template. Remember to press lightly, we don't want to damage our laptop screen. Take out your yellow pencil and colour in the outer part of your flame shape. Now we're going to take out our red pencil and colour in the inside part of our flame shape red. Take out your scissors and cut around the outline of your template. Add glue to the back of your template and stick it on to your white card. Recycle or reuse your leftover paper. Take out your coloured card and fold it in half. Open your card back up again and cut along the fold. With one half of your sheet of paper, turn this into an accordion fold. Take out your liquid glue. Spread your glue along one side of your accordion fold. Using your hands, bring together the two edges of the glued side. This will create a fan shape. You may need to hold these sides together for a bit to let the glue dry. Add glue to the bottom part of your template. We're going to stick it onto the long edge of our fan-like shape. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a Diwali decoration today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.